Before you go, Nigel, you say that ministers in Britain, they're backtracking on Brexit promises and that you might return to what you call frontline politics if this backtracking continues. In what role do you see yourself?
Well, Frank, I mean, I'm disgusted. 13.5 million people voted Conservative just a few months ago on a promise they would take us out of the European Union, take us out of the single market and reduce net migration to tens of thousands a year. It couldn't have been clearer what the manifesto ticket was, and now we have senior figures like the Chancellor of the Exchequer trying to backtrack and water it all down. And all I've said is this, I very much led the charge for Brexit over the last 20 years, I guess, and if we find in a couple of years' time that Brexit does not really mean Brexit, then we will have to fight that battle again, and I will, yes, have to don khaki and get back to the front line.
Hasn't there been some backtracking on the part of the British electorate, and maybe the European electorate as well, backtracking away from this kind of policy?
No, not one little bit. Whenever I'm in the European Parliament, they all say, populism is dead, Monsieur Macron won in France. What no one tells you is that in the first round of that French presidential election, 46.5% of voters voted for secessionist candidates. No, this wave of people wanting to claim back their identities and their countries, frankly, it's barely begun.
I think the same could be true of the United States. I think President Trump's base is holding very, very strong. And you're part of it, Nigel Farage. Thanks very much for joining us, sir. We'll see you again real soon, I trust. Thank you. Got it?